Can someone else deposit money into your Chime account? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially when you're sharing finances with someone, or maybe you just want to surprise a friend with a little cash boost. Let's dive in. First things first, Chime is a fantastic banking option. It's online, it's fee-free, and it's got some pretty cool features. But when it comes to sharing your money magic with others, things get a bit tricky. Now, here's the short answer. Technically, no one else can directly deposit money into your Chime account without your information. But there are a few workarounds. Let's break it down. Option 1, cash deposits. This is probably the most common way someone else can add money to your Chime account. You can find a list of retail partners on the Chime website or app. Your friend or family member can go to one of these places, like Walgreens or CVS, and deposit cash directly into your account using your Chime card or the barcode in your app. But here's the catch: you'll need to share your Chime card or the barcode with them. So, while it's technically someone else depositing the money, you're still giving them access to your account information. Option 2, transfers. If the person who wants to send you money has a Chime account too, it's super easy. They can simply transfer funds from their Chime account to yours. This is a secure and convenient way to move money between Chime users. However, if they have a different bank, they can initiate a transfer to your Chime account. This might take a few days to process, and there could be fees involved depending on their bank. Option 3, pay anyone. Chime's Pay Anyone feature is another way to receive money from someone else. If they have a Chime account, they can send you money instantly. If they don't, they can link their debit card and send you money that way. But remember, sharing your Chime account details, even for a one-time transaction, can pose risks. There's always a chance of unauthorized access or fraud. So, trust is key here. Security first. No matter which method you choose, always prioritize security. Be cautious about sharing your account information. If you're uncomfortable with someone else having access to your account, consider alternative options like cash or gift cards. Additional tips. Set limits. If you decide to allow cash deposits, set a limit on how much can be deposited at a time. Monitor your account. Regularly check your account balance and transaction history to ensure everything is in order. Enable security features. Take advantage of Chime's security features like two-factor authentication for added protection. So, can someone else deposit money into your Chime account? Technically, no, but there are ways around it. Weigh the pros and cons carefully, and always prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.